friends, welcome to my YouTube channel WandererBhardwaj. I am your host Bhardwaj. Are you planning to visit Chardham Yatra this year? Do you know Uttarakhand government has made registrations mandatory even this year? So in this video I'll guide you how to register yourself and your family for Chardham Yatra 2023. So let's continue. I will talk about few important steps before I go into the actual process of registration. So if I go into any browser and search for Chardham Yatra registration, in that case you will get few options on the search. Then make sure you always open a website which has .gov.in so that whatever information you get is official and from the government. Do not open any other website from the search. Now, let me open the Uttarakhand government tourism website. So in this one, you can see that the Chardham Yatra registrations are open for pilgrims, and the opening dates for the temples are as mentioned. Yamnotri Dham is opening on 22nd of April, Gangotri Dham is on 22nd of April, Kedarnath is on 25th of April, and Badrinath is on 27th of April. So this is the first information which I get on the registration website. And as soon as I press on continue, then you get on the website. So this is a single website for all your services. Like you can check for hotel booking, puja booking, vehicle registration, heli services. There are few changes on the heli services. That is why I'm not talking about in this video. Now let's go to the second thing. This entire registration is free. No one will charge you a single rupee. So this is important, and this information is on the official Uttarakhand government website. So there is no fee involved in the tourist registration process. So registration is free of cost, and if anyone is charging, please do not go for that. You will be scammed. And you have to carry a valid personal ID proof. So Aadhaar, PAN card or similar documents you have to carry during the yatra. Now, what are the official modes of registration? So as mentioned here, we have few options. First of all, online through this web portal which I am currently using, we have this one of the options. Then through the mobile application Tourist Care Uttarakhand. So I will guide you on this process as well later. Third process is through WhatsApp, and there is a mobile number where you can do the process. I'll guide you through this process as well. Alright. And for any information regarding the yatra, you have to always refer to this Uttarakhand government official website for Chardham Yatra. And last but not the least, you also have few physical registration points in Haridwar and Rishikesh, so which are mentioned on this website. So as of now, we just have 4 points where you can go and register physically. But of course, wherever you go, you will need your physical IDs in terms of Aadhaar card, PAN card. So a biometric registration would be done for you on these places. Alright, then let's talk about the registration process itself. So in the next video, I'll guide you how to register yourself and your family for Chardham Yatra. So to register yourself and your family, first of all you have to come to the official government website for registration. So Uttarakhand government has this website, registration touristcare.k.gov.in. So you have to come to this website and then search for registration. So if you scroll down, you will have this option of register yourself here for Chardham. You'll have to click here. Then you have to provide some mandatory details. So first of all, before you log in into your account, you have to register yourself. So these are few basic details. I'll try to type in few basic details here. And then you have to register yourself as an individual or family. So I'll choose family. I'm not just traveling alone, I'll be traveling with a family. So I'll mention that. Then I have to select a password. So I will do that here. And once you sign up, you will get the registration details, the login details on your message in your mobile phone. So you will receive this message, please enter OTP received on your mobile number. So you have to enter that. I will enter the OTP right now, which I have received on my mobile phone. You can also see the message which I have received on the screen on the right hand side. And then I click on verify OTP. And then you get this message, congratulations, OTP verified and you are successfully registered. Now you can log in into the portal. Next I will talk about the registration for Yatra through mobile app. So I am on the official website for Uttarakhand government, and then if I scroll down, this is the third option, this is the second option, where you have the two apps, Android app and iOS. So you can click on one of these. Let's say I choose Android. Then this is the app which I need to install in my phone, Tourist Care Uttarakhand. So just search for this app in your Play Store and install the app. Then next I'll guide you through the steps to follow in this app. So I've already installed the app in my mobile. If I see, then I'll type in the login details. For registration, I've already covered in the previous video, like how to register yourself. So you just need to provide your registration details, or if you want to do a fresh registration, you can do it here. So just type in the login details. So once you log in, you get this screen on your view. This is the mobile view. So in this one, we can create a tour, we can add pilgrims, we can do hotel booking. So let me create a tour. So I will choose the dates. Let's say July. I'll click on save. This will show the availability of seats on those particular dates. I'll close it now. Number of tourists. Let's say I'm just entering one. Mode of travel by road. So this is important, that whatever mode of travel you are choosing right now is final. You can't change it later. You cannot change it later. So this is important instruction. Then we have to plan your destination. So I'll give it in sequence. So if you see, this is already in sequence of how we should visit the Chardham. So let's choose the dates. I'll specify the date. Then this is my list of tours. Again, I need to select, next I need to go here. I need to choose gangotri. I need to select all 4 of them to make a registration. or I need to specify all the places I want to visit. Then I need to specify the dates. So I'll select 12, then I'll select as 15th, last is Badrinath. Now this looks good, and I'll do update. So right now I have just entered the tour information. Now I need to click on next. Then this one will ask me for the personal details. So I need to specify the name, age, gender, mobile number, then I need to specify the country, residential address, city, district, then I need to specify the state, then I have to specify a relative, a contact detail who is not traveling with you. So I'll type in the contact number, name, and some contact details. I have to specify what is the relation with the person. If I'm a doctor, I will select this. So this is important. So if you are a doctor, please select this information so that it is helpful for the government if they need your service. Mode of travel, since I had selected road, I'm getting these options. So I'll choose taxi. Then I have to enter the driver and vehicle details. This is not mandatory, but this will be open to edit even till the last moment you start your journey. Next, I have to upload a passport size photo. So I'll choose the photo. Then I need to select the identity proof. So I'll select a document. Let's say Aadhaar card. Click on upload. If I have any medical condition, I will specify those details. Then, are you COVID vaccinated? So I just need to select yes. This certificate number is not mandatory. You can skip this part. And then this is the last checkbox, and I click on save. And the Yatra registration is successful. Now I can download this letter and view this letter. So I'll click on download letter and I can view it. So my registration details is visible here. This is my details which I have specified during the process of registration. So that's it about registration through mobile app. But considering my opinion of all the three modes for registration, website, WhatsApp and mobile, I feel the website is the easiest and quickest. So choose whatever mode you want to do and register yourself and your family for the Yatra. If you have any questions related to Chardham Yatra 2023, you can put your question in the comment below or you can message me in Instagram. If you found this information helpful, please like my video and share it with your friends and family. For similar content in future, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Until we meet in next video, tada!